Let's go, baby. What's going on, you guys? It's your man, Two Down Dan, and I'm in a corner, and I'm ripping it. And I'm in third gear. Fourth, we're going past this. Come on, green, green, green. You're never gonna get that, bro. You're not weighting it down. Bro doesn't know. Yo, I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. I'm feeling great. The bike's feeling great. We just maintained it all this morning. You guys saw that vlog yesterday, baby. So you know the bike is looking clean, clean, clean. But what did we do? We ran out of chain cleaners. So I had to go over to Fun Bike Center, do a little 15-minute ride, and go grab my chain cleaner. I picked up 2 bottles of that, and I still have a bunch of chain lube left. And see all these cars right here? Yeah, we're about to be in all of that. About to be in a lot of traffic. Lane splitting today. You guys know how we do. If we lane splitting, we happy. Very happy. 5th gear, 4th gear. Now we're cutting into the middle, and we're gonna start our lane splitting. And I think, well, what we're definitely doing right now is we're going on our way to the beach because it's our day off. For me, it's still Wednesday, but you guys are not catching this, obviously, on Wednesday. Be catching it later in the week. So I hope you guys had a good week and are getting ready for a good weekend, dude. I'll be back at work. And I do not like hitting in the middle of these 2 lanes right now. There's, they're double plastic markers, and I keep hitting them, and they're really sketchy. Focusing up, boys and girls, focusing up, dude. Giving you guys some sweet riding footage. That's my favorite thing to do. Give you guys dope riding footage on the 500. And what does that usually entail? Well, it's gonna entail canyon riding eventually. I'm hoping tomorrow hopefully me and Jacob, another Ninja 500 owner, you guys used to see him on the channel a good bit. Now we haven't rode in a little while. He hurt his knee, so he's been off the bike, but he's ready to rip again. And we're gonna be riding all day tomorrow on my day off as well. So more riding vlogs coming after this one, so get stoked. More riding, more, yeah. So like I said, we don't really like to rev or do, obviously we're not doing wheelies, but you know, when a chill dude like that, we're just in traffic and he wants a quick rev, I'll give him a quick little revski. No problem. No problem. 2nd gear still. I might have to cut down into 1st gear. Let's check left. I don't love going through this just because I'm more so scared about nails and everything. Boom, 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 boom. But now that we're out here, I'm not. All right, let's cut left again. Nice. 3rd gear. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. She's so crispy. You hear those pops? Dude, and I just want to bring up the whole dancing moto stuff real quick. Just because it's so refreshing to hear everybody in the motorcycle community on the same page about something. And especially the timing of it is just so incredibly wild. Like right after Jixabra's friggin' crash, which was like a legitimate accident and crash. And, you know, you should be, people who support him to the max should be, you know, donating to him, whatever. It's fair. Granted, all that stuff, right? And then this kid's asking for donations. As if and he said he was in a fatal accident. He wasn't in an accident at all. He was running from police in the rain with no gear. And this was the 2nd time he's been running from the police. So dude, that kid's just, oh my God, bro. Absolute example of what not to do in the riding community or when you just buy a bike. Just don't do any of that stuff. There's so much fun things you can do just riding it, dude. You don't need to, I don't know. There's a lot I could say on that topic, but we're not going to go there today because we're keeping positive vibes, baby. It's the day off. We're heading to the beach, bro. Come on. What's better than heading to the beach on the 500? Woo, woo. And knowing that we're going to be riding all day tomorrow. I'm going to get home, chill with Stella and Wheels. Dude, life's pretty chill right now, man. Y'all are making life real cool, real fun for me. Even though work is so terrible. It's never been worse. Even the owner I was like, yeah, so Alana, she doesn't talk to me in like 4 or 5 days. And he's like, yeah, she's not gonna talk to you. He's like, I told her not to talk to you. And I was like, oh my God, okay. So, yeah, it looks like I'm pretty much only in contact with the new owners now. And the old owners want nothing to do with me. They don't care about me, which means I'm not valued. I'm not a valued employee. Even though I do really, really good work. I'm a good inventory employee. I always have been. All my experience other than accounting has been in inventory, so I know exactly what I'm doing. And they're tripping out over things for no reason. That was literally the first time a car changed lanes in front of me, and it was a very safe change lanes. So let's just completely change the topic and talk about lane splitting real quick. How I think it is in California, if I think it's safe, if I think it's safe. I think it should be legal everywhere. We've talked about it a lot, but yeah, I guess we're kind of out of the traffic now. It's gonna free up as we get closer and closer to the beach. But I want to keep riding with you guys, dude. I want to give you guys as much miles on this bike. Look at this view, dude. Cali's amazing. It's amazing. San Diego's a beautiful place. If nothing else, just a nice ride on my bike. Beautiful day. Look at this. Boom, beaches. I want that. 45-mile-an-hour ramp. Let's take it at 80. Fifth gear, leaning off the bike. Taking it at 75. Oh, this corner is a dream. Dream corner. Oh, yeah. No more lane splitting. Straight sending. I've been absolutely having a great day. I hope you guys are too. Let me know what you're up to right now. Let me know what you're up to this weekend. Rides you're gonna go on. Yo, who do we got right here? Oh, they're vlogging too. Where are they going? Come on, broski, ride with me. Ride with me. No one wants to ride with me. No, I'm just playing. I'm very introverted, and I never ask people to ride really ever. Even today, I was gonna meet up with Juan, but I was just like, nah, dude, like I can't. Like, I'm going over here to do this, and then over here to do that. And it's like I don't want him to just feel like he's hanging around with me while I'm doing my chores and errands. You know, I like if we're gonna ride together, I want to just focus on riding and going from like cool scenic place to cool scenic place. This is my favorite highway in all of San Diego. It is so smooth. There's a golf course right here, Riverwalk. I used to play it. The front nine's beautiful, the back nine's ass. That's a little par 4 right there over some water. And I love golf, dude. I miss playing golf so much. It's probably the only main thing I miss from the East Coast is the golf culture and the courses. They're so much nicer. They're more well maintained. The grass is so much greener and whatnot. Courses are more fun to play. Let me know if you guys play golf. I know motorcycles and golf don't really go together a lot, but I'm kind of a mixed bag when it comes to athletic ability and sports that I like to play. I grew up playing basketball, soccer, lacrosse. I quit baseball when I got to middle school so I could play lacrosse. Because baseball was too slow, dude. I didn't like baseball. But blacks, oh, that shit was fun. We're cooking, baby. Let's cook. Oh, yeah. Right down to my favorite spot in the whole world. Mission Bay, Belmont Park. You live in San Diego, dude. This is where I love to come. I think everyone agrees that this spot is amazing. If you come visit San Diego, you gotta come over here. SeaWorld is right over there too. I don't know if I've ever mentioned that, but yeah, massive like amusement park and aquarium and you know all that shit. You know what SeaWorld is all about. They got one in Florida too. I think the one in Florida is a little nicer and a little bigger, but I'm not sure about all the stats on SeaWorld. Drop down from 6th to 4th. I can drop down to 3rd. Red light, thinking about hitting green. Splitting. Yep, boom, green, split, stay in. I was trying to see what bike they were on. There's coming up a really fun corner. I do it all the time on my shorts and then like my Instagram reels. But I love taking this corner up here. Get ready for a dope corner. I'll try to stay in 4th gear for it. I should probably drop to 3rd though, right when I get to the entrance of it, honestly. It's a tight corner. Here we go, boys and girls. Let's go to the right side of this van and then the left side of the red. I'll front brake if I need to. Staying in 4th. Gaining on all these cars, that whole corner. So sick, dude. Riding the bike is like next level, legit, amazing. I've done a lot of cool stuff, and riding a bike is probably the coolest. I don't know, it's amazing. Get on those wheels, dude. But don't impatiently do it. Do it slowly, get into it at the right time. If you can't buy one yet, just wait. You'll get one when you're supposed to. I didn't get mine until I was 26. It sucks waiting. But the freedom, once you get it, try to keep it forever, man. Don't do something silly like run from the police or fucking crash it trying to do a clutch up wheelie. Dang, brother. Drive that Prius like a wild bro. Oh, Bayfest is coming up. I'm not a huge like festival goer, but yeah, look at that. Massive sets going up. RVs and tents everywhere, probably for the performers. Oh my goodness. Yo, I hope you guys enjoyed this ride down to the beach. I'll bring you down, we'll park, and I'll show you the water, even though you're getting a good view of it right here. But if you're still watching, that means you're definitely down to stay to the end and see the coastline, the Pacific. But yeah, I don't know, there's usually a ton of people down here, so I only stay for like a couple minutes and then I go to my more secluded spot. Let's just see, go down here real quick. I don't see any bikers up there. Maybe there are. There's probably bikers. We'll see. But I want to go to my chill spot. It looks like it's going to be a really nice sunset. I want to go enjoy it. All my days off. If I can get down here onto the beach when it's sunset, that is a blessed day. You can't complain if you catch the sunset, man. That's for sure. No matter what you did all day. Just remember that you probably have access to water and you have a bed and you're watching this on a phone and everything. Like you're good. You're chilling. Just always go half glass full, right? Not half empty. You can make a good day out of anything. I've been trying that a lot more lately and it's been helping. Because I have a generally pretty negative mindset, I feel like, on some things. But honestly, there's been some content and some... I like Gary Vee stuff. Gary Vee motivates the hell out of me, to be completely honest with you. Just what he says, what he does, his entrepreneurial spirit and whatnot. It's really dope. Yeah, there's nobody down here at all. Just park the bike for 2 seconds. Show you guys this. Even though I've been down here a whole bunch. You're good, dude. But come on. Like, if you want to come throw a frisbee, a football, or whatever. I've brought you guys to this beach a whole lot of times now. But it is very, very peaceful and relaxing to come down here. There's nobody down here because it's the middle of the week. It's a Wednesday at like 5. People aren't even out of work yet. Yeah, people aren't even out of work. That's why there's nobody out here. Other than the people who are hustling and bustling, grinding on their days off or whatever. And I'm out here vibing with the 500 and vlogging, dude. So, thank you guys so much. You know the deal by now. Subscribe in the middle if you haven't already. We got so much stuff. We got daily vlogs. There was something I wanted to announce at the beginning, but I already forgot it. So there's no point of mentioning it now. Watch one of these 2 videos and appreciate you guys so much. Thank you. Keep your roast 2 down. Peace.